Hey guys, it is, well, obviously snowing, or did snow. We've been snowed in for about a week. The tent collapsed, and we're going to check on the chickens and gather some eggs. Oh my god. And it looks like the chicken thing halfway collapsed. And this stuff is frozen solid. And yes, I am in shorts. Oh my god. The whole thing is collapsed. Oh my god. Why do I have a duck on the roof? Alright. So we gotta figure this out because I can't. Oh my god, the whole thing has officially collapsed. Go in there.
I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna go get Dad.